In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in Microsoft Project. Grouping lets you organize your schedule by common criteria like status, resource, or priority, so related tasks sit together and you can quickly review roll-ups such as total work or cost. It's a powerful way to make a busy plan easier to read without changing your actual task data. Let's start with a quick one-criterion group. First, make sure you're in a task-focused view such as Gantt chart, task sheet, or task usage. These views are designed to show tasks in a list, which is perfect for grouping. Go to the View tab, and in the Data group, open the group by drop-down. Choose any of the built-in options, for example, status, resource, or priority. As soon as you select one, your tasks reorganize into labeled groups, each with a summary line. Those summaries provide roll-ups, like total work or cost, so you can scan high-level metrics by group without running a separate report. Remember, grouping is purely a view change. It doesn't delete, move, or permanently reorder tasks. It just reorganizes what you see to highlight patterns. If you want something more tailored, you can create a custom group that uses multiple criteria. On the View tab, in the Data group, open Group By and choose More Groups. In the More Groups dialog, click New under Task Groups. In the Group Definition box, pick your first field under Group By, for instance, Resource Name, if you want to see tasks grouped by who's assigned, or Finish Date, if timing is your focus. If you need a second level, use Then By to add it. You can set the order for each level to ascending or descending, depending on how you prefer to read the data. You can also adjust how the groups appear, such as tweaking fonts or background shading to make the sections stand out visually. When you're ready, click Save, then Apply. Your tasks will now be grouped according to your custom rules, giving you a structured, multi-level view that reflects how you think about the work. For example, grouping by resource name and then by finish date can help you review each person's tasks in chronological order. A few tips before we wrap up. To remove grouping and return to a flat, ungrouped list, go to View, Group By, and choose No Group. You can apply grouping in the network diagram view as well, if that's where you prefer to analyze dependencies. And don't forget those summary lines. Roll-ups make it easy to compare totals by group, which is especially helpful when reviewing workload or cost at a glance.